Hello guys, welcome to the part 3 of the video. I just brought the motherboard outside. For the reason for that is I just used my trusty brush so I can actually remove the dust from the PCB. He actually gave me some of the problem in the part 1 of the video when I couldn't make it to post, and after the cleaner up it just worked fine. Yeah. But I'm glad this motherboard actually working. I also cleaned the video card right here, the ATI 128 Ultra Pro. There was very dusty here on the back and in this area of the GPU chipset, and right now it looks mint. It looks very clean. Yeah. I couldn't post the part 3 of the video any earlier because I looked on the internet many times to actually find the hard drive that I need, the IDE, and unfortunately I found some of them that are defective, and I think I'm gonna have to use the I also have a spare of the hard drive in my Pentium 4 computer. Back then I had to use another hard drive, and I think I bought it another one. So I'm going to use that. Unfortunately, it's made by Quantum Fireball, and it makes a lot of noise. Back then I think I bought it at also the second hand for my personal use, and yeah. I'm going to install these parts in my Core Duo chassis, the white ones. Well, actually it's very ugly, but I don't have a choice. And testing the parts, because if I'm going to use on the cardboard or on something else, I'm just supposing that it won't be very good for this for the motherboard and the other components. So yeah, I want to prevent that and be actually happy that I'm going to use this Intel kit anyway for my testing and the games, of course. See you in the part 4 of the video, and after that I'm going to talk more in depth about the components and what I want to use here. Yeah, thank you for watching, and see you in the part 4 of the video. Bye.